Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Paws airdrop, listing date, price predictions, and what's next for $PAWS. The cryptocurrency market is buzzing with excitement as new meme coins continue to emerge, and one of the hottest topics right now is $PAWS. This Solana-backed token is about to launch, and crypto enthusiasts are eager to see how it will stack up in the fiercely competitive meme coin space. With a total supply of 100 billion tokens, $PAWS is drawing a lot of attention. But what should traders and investors expect once it goes live? Let's dive in and explore the price predictions, potential movement, and what we know so far. Here's what we know so far. Let's break down some key details about the project. Total supply, 100 billion tokens. Blockchain built on Solana, $SOL, known for fast transactions and low fees. When will $PAWS launch? The Paws community has been keeping a close eye on any clues about the launch date. One of the big theories is that the XX, in a recent teaser post, refers to March 20th, the Roman numeral for 20. Others think we might see the token hit exchanges on one of the upcoming Tuesdays in March, specifically March 4th, 11th, 18th, or 25th. So, mark your calendars. What's the price prediction for $PAWS? Let's compare $PAWS to a similar project, Hamster Combat, $HMSTR, which launched at a price between $0.009 and $0.010. Since both tokens share a total supply of 100 billion, it's likely that $PAWS will follow a similar pricing trajectory. But what can we expect in the short, mid, and long term? Short-term price prediction, launch phase. When $PAWS hits the market, expect some early volatility. The hype surrounding the token could cause rapid price fluctuations as traders react to the launch. Expected launch price, $0.009 to $0.010. Potential movement. If the excitement remains high, we could see the price test resistance levels at $0.012 to $0.015 within the first week. Key factors: early investor interest, exchange listings, and overall market sentiment will all play a big role in shaping the price during this phase. Midterm price prediction, 1 to 3 months post-launch. Looking ahead to the first 1 to 3 months, we expect $PAWS to steadily climb in price, especially if it follows in the footsteps of Hamster Combat. Projected price, $0.015 to $0.025. Growth catalysts. Community engagement and viral social media momentum. Listings on major exchanges like Binance, OKX, and Bybit. Overall positive market conditions for altcoins. If demand continues to grow, it's possible for $PAWS to break through the $0.025 mark, especially with a wave of investor interest in meme coins. Long-term price prediction, 6 to 12 months. Looking further down the road, the success of $PAWS will depend on its real-world utility, the strength of its community, and market conditions. If it keeps up a strong trading volume and gains more adoption, $PAWS could see some significant price growth. Projected price, $0.030 to $0.050. Key growth drivers. Major exchange listings driving liquidity and trading volume. Expansion of the Paws community and growing real-world use cases. A bullish crypto market that boosts meme coins. However, if the market turns bearish, it's possible $PAWS could hover between the $0.015 to $0.025 range for an extended period. So, market conditions will be a major factor in determining its long-term trajectory. Key factors that could impact $PAWS price. Exchange listings. Getting listed on major exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, or Bybit would give $PAWS a massive liquidity boost, helping the price soar. Community growth and adoption. An active community and strong social media presence will be essential for sustaining demand. Meme coins live and die by their communities. Market sentiment. A positive altcoin cycle could push $PAWS past projections, but if the market turns, it could slow growth. Overall crypto market conditions. If the altcoin market is thriving, $PAWS will likely benefit. Conversely, a downturn could stall its price growth.